7 practical benefits of becoming more accepting of yourself right now. I'm great and getting better. When's the last time you thought that about yourself? Has it been a while? Do you genuinely like you? Right here, right now? Prepare yourself for a startling thought. Even when we're working on making positive changes in our lives, it's possible to gain a genuine acceptance of yourself. In short, you can like yourself right where you are, no matter what. What's more, accepting this current version of yourself has some real practical benefits in the long run, such as you discover compassion. When you become more patient with yourself and more accepting, you tend to show that same patience and acceptance with others. You also have an easier time stepping into someone else's shoes, meaning you show more empathy and build compassion toward others. You learn more about what you can do. The more you accept yourself, the more you're going to discover that you might not have known beforehand. You'll feel more confident in exploring interests, and you might even discover some hidden talents. Your self-talk improves. If you used to talk negatively to yourself, acceptance would change all that. There's no room for that kind of criticism when you actually like who you are and accept yourself, flaws included. In fact, your self-talk will start to get more positive and will contain more encouragement and support than it had previously. You spend less. Unhappy people try to fill the void in their life with stuff. When you're accepting yourself for who you are right now, you're less likely to need stuff to fill the void. You become healthier. It's not uncommon for people to start taking better care of themselves when they become more accepting of who they are. A lot of this is subconscious. When you love yourself, you really do just want to take care of yourself as part of an expression of that love. You get more assertive. When you're more confident about who you are, it's a lot easier to express your opinions. This confidence is rooted in that heartfelt acceptance of who you are right now. You have more energy. When you're able to accept where you are right this minute, you'll stop weighing yourself down with worry about what people think of you. You'd be amazed at how much this kind of self-consciousness can wear you out. With all that in mind, it should be apparent what your next step should be. Accept who you are right now, right where you are. Learn to like that person. There's so much good in your life waiting for this essential step.